AWS has four types of load balancers. So already discussed these things. One is application load balancer. And one network load balancer. Classic load balancer. Next, gateway load balancer. See here, click on load balancers. Create load balancer. See here, understand. Application load balancer first. If click on this info, you will get all information about this load balancer. See here, one client make request to your application, means you and me others. If it is a Flipkart application, so you and me others is a clients. Clients make a request to your application. The listeners in your load balancer receive requests matching the protocol and port that you configured. So meaning of that. So when creating load balancer, see here three types of options. This is the internet facing internal. Internal means we are not exposing the application. See, internet facing means we are exposing. Our application is going to exposing. So next here options. This is the port. You can choose any one of the port. That is the second step they are explaining. Okay. This is the port. Application load balancer. So based on the protocol, these protocols, it will work. HTTP, comma, space, HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP means 80. HTTPS means 443. So you need to remember these ports and DNS as well. DNS. So ISO already clear about ISO. OSM model, OSM model. So here this is and one more additional functionality is it is a completely path-based routing. Path routing. So it is going to route path-based means see. So before creating load balancer, we need to create target group. Target group have collection of instances. So application has multiple application layers, right? See if it is a log, credit cards, loans, like different single application is a converted into multiple pieces. So those kind of applications is a each and every path. So you need, but here we have configured only one application, that is a SBI YONO application, like, but application have multiple URLs. So remember this point. So you need each URL has specific server. So those servers part of target group, not security. Select VPC and remove this. Attach WordPress SG. So you need to create target group as well. See here, click on create target group. This is the instance. We have instances, right? So IP means it is a specific host. Supports load balancing to VPC on-premises sources, facilitates routing to multiple IP addresses, networking interfaces on same instance, offering flexibility and microservices-based architecture. If you choose this one, means RoboShop project is one of the example. So each and every IP you need to map separated by URL. This is the lambda function. It is a quite advanced. You need to write the script and deploy. It is completely serverless architecture. After deploying, automatically background things will going up and running. So currently we have only one instance, WordPress. So create, if we choose target group application load balancer, we don't have any load balancer. Only instances. Create target group. SBI target, sorry, YONO prod, completely production we are working. That's why target group TC. So this is the protocol. So IPv4, our range is any company using IPv4 only, except network domains like CO. So if you have billions of users, go with IPv6 as well. So choose VPC, our VPC. See, this is the path-based routing. That is I'm saying. If you have application multiple pieces means you need to provide each and every path like SBI, YONO or SBI loans or SBI organizations like corporate, different. For our use case, only YONO application, SBI YONO. See here, and one more. The receiving listener value evaluates the incoming requests against the rules you specify. If you applicable routes the request appropriate target group. So that is this is the target group. Understand? So here can use HTTPS listener to offload the work of TLS encryption or SSL encryption, decryption, your load balance. But our case, if you want to do TLS or SSL configuration, so it will take 48 hours for approval. We need to submit the company domain and company registration certificate. So after approval only, they are providing SSL for you. So SSL here more than 8,000 plus rupees they charged. So for one certificate. So currently we are working only HTTP 80. So this is the 80. See here, TCP, HTTP, HTTPS, HTTP only. See, remember this, these points is very important. This is the load balancer. This is our application. So load balancer hitting the application, right? So this is the health check, health threshold. So number of consecutive health checks act successes required before considering unhealthy target healthy. So means every 5 seconds. So load balancer try to check our server, our application is healthy or not. That is nothing but healthy threshold. Mm. So next, unhealthy threshold. So here load balancer giving request to our application, but server doesn't respond 2 times. Then load balancer is not sending any request to the server. So that is the unhealthy threshold. Remember, timeout. The amount of time in seconds during which no response means failed health check. So you can increase or up to 120 seconds you can give. So interval time is a part of auto scaling. While discussing auto scaling, you will understand. See here, healthy targets in one or more target groups, receiving traffic based on the load balancing algorithm. So load balancing algorithm maintained like designed like that. The routing rules specify in listeners. So that is the this is the section. See here success codes 200 to 399. These are all success codes. 200 series all are success codes. So 200 means success. 201, 202. So you need to know all success codes. So first create target group instance. We have only one instance. HTTP port VPC provide SBI YONO next to provide tags name SBI colon YONO and prod easy target group. Next. So yet see here only allow A to Z small or capital or 0 to 9 values only it is allowed. Hyphens or no, hyphens are allowed. So give hyphens instead of special other special characters. Here, here we have only one instance, right? So duplicate, create one more instance for us. SPI loans. Mm, Amazon Linux, Amazon Linux HVM kernel model. So 23 Amazon extras command doesn't work. So don't go for select this Amazon Linux version. EMI. Next, WordPress, networking section, prod, NodeDB application 1, public IP disabled. So enable, disable. Choose existing security group is a same WordPress 8 CP and create. It is running right. Next, select same instance. Launch more like this. Means same, it, one more instance going to create. No need to just change the name. SBI loans, SBI corporate. Provide WordPress networking, VPC, app to existing WordPress is common. So automatically few things are selected, few things not selected. So launch. But real time not like that. We need to create one AMI. First, create custom AMI for that and collaborate with multiple teams and secure manner. You need to create one custom AMI for each and every application. So while creating instance, you need to take the AMI directly. Automatically instance will create. That is the real-time process. So it's one more. We are running right. Back to target group. See here, the instances available. Select all. Add to target group. See, a lot of security groups. That's why we will remove later. Create target group. Target group is created. All are working on HTTP port only. Health checks. SBI Yono. So this group only targeting WordPress applications. But each and every target group has specific instance you need to add with path like this. Means application load balancer is path based and HTTP, HTTPS and DNS. So it is a layer 7. OSA model layer 7. So application layer. Next presentation layer. Screenshots. This is the presentation layer, session layer, transport layer. Network layer completely working on transport layer, layer 4. That is a completely port-based routing. So application load balancer is a path-based routing and protocols should be HTTP, HTTPS and DNS. Next, create load balancer and attach. So already I created. So delete. Confirm. Create load balancer. Click on. This is internet facing, means our application is going to access others. So choose VPC. Availability. Here subnet LB means subnet 1 LB means load balancer. Already we discussed it. Architecture diagram. Subnet 2 load balancer. Security group. WordPress security group. See here, these are the listeners. HTTP and HTTPS. Currently, we don't have any HTTPS, so choose HTTP. Next.
హలో
Yeah.
నాకు ఇది అర్థం కాలేదు పరిశ్రమ హెచ్టిటిపి అంటే ఏంటి అని ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు బ్యాలెన్సర్ లో అది అర్థం కాలేదు నాకు హలో
ఉమ్, చెప్పండి.
అదే హెచ్టిటిపిడి హెచ్టిటిపిఎస్ అవి ఏంటి, అసలు ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం లోడ్ బ్యాలెన్సర్ లోనే అర్థం కాలేదు నాకు అది.
హియర్ అప్లికేషన్ లోడ్ బ్యాలెన్సర్ అండ్ నెట్వర్క్ లోడ్ బ్యాలెన్సర్, క్లాసిక్ లోడ్
అవును.
బ్యాలెన్సర్ అండ్ gateway load balancer. So each and every load
ఓకే.
balancer has specific functionality. So
ఓకే.
application load balancer support HTTP, HTTPS, DNS. This is the layer
ఓకే.
7.
ఓకే.
Understand?
ఎస్.
So and more capabilities, application load balancer have more capabilities compared to other load balancers, has
ఓకే.
failover scenarios. So here failover means after creating this load balancer, this will generate one endpoint. Already we discussed four service IDs,
ఎస్.
endpoint, service ID, and
ఎస్.
ARN. So right, if you want to troubleshoot any service from AWS, you need to know four service IDs.
ఓకే.
So here automatically backend it will create two load balancers, but it will give you only one endpoint. Means any one of the load, any one of the zone down, automatic other zone will bring up like same database. So here also they implemented failover scenarios, means any one of the zone down, other load balancer will bring up same. Okay,
ఓకే.
these features not available other network load balancer and classic load balancer and other gateway load balancers. So only application load balancer has more capability than other load balancers failover mechanism. So here if you want to add more listeners, you can add like this. So now we have created this one, right? Target group. Target group has which is a application load balancer. So user will hit the request to the application. So directly not hit the application. In between DNS are there. So route 53. Route 53. Mhm. So this is the route 53. Okay. This DNS send the request to the load balancer. So load balancer have target groups. See, already configured. This is the target group, right? Target. Is there any icons? Groups? No. Okay. Go. This is the target group. So this target group have multiple servers or server application server. That is a WordPress or SBI, like that. So this is the primary DB and secondary DB.